I have been using a lot of USB audio interface, but my heart was not happy. So I bought the Zoom USB 3 audio interface. Is this a good? Personally, I have been using the Focusrite Scarlett, the Soundcraft Mixer USB interface, and this is my third USB interface. Also, I use the Zoom F4 as a USB interface. I love the preamp, so I say why not buy this one. This one you can easily buy for 250 bucks from Amazon. The link is below. But before that, unboxing and some audio test. I'm gonna install the driver, everything. So this is gonna be unboxing, sound test, and walkthrough. Jump to the table. Finally, here it is, the Zoom USB 3. Yes, this is one of the world's very few USB 3.0 audio interface. Let's do the unboxing. Again, I'm a huge fan of Zoom equipment. Let me show you from the back. Again, this is USB 3 and 2. This is plug and play. It works with Windows 10. I mean 190 Hz, awesome. 48 voltage of phantom power, awesome. Right now I'm just recording in like a crappy preamp into my Panasonic G7 just to show you the quality of this one. I'm going to show you the quality of Zoom 3. Okay, let me open the box. I'm sorry, my battery just died, that's why I stopped the video. Yeah, so now let me open the box for you. Okay, here it is. Here is the cable which it comes with for the USB 3. Okay, awesome. Let me show you the manual. This is the manual. Awesome. Nothing special, nothing really special inside. I like the styrofoam on the box. And now let me connect it. Yeah, let me connect it, and then I will be jumping to the screen. I will be using the same microphone which I'm using. I'm using the Audio Technica broadcast microphone. The link will be in the description box below for you. And now let me just connect it. Let's see, is plug and play or not. Okay, I need to turn on. There is on and off switch at the back. Can you see? Literally I have to turn on. It's not like Scarlett. Okay, now it's on. Okay, now it's working. My computer already recognized it. So yeah, my computer already recognized it. I mean, isn't this awesome? I mean, literally, yeah. So now I'm going to jump to the screen. This is just the unboxing and the first look of it. Yeah, and then also I'm going to jump back to me. So now let me jump to the monitor. Hello, 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 hello. So right now, as you can see, there's nothing showing up. I mean on my monitor. Okay, let me go to Zoom website for this one. USB 3 audio interface. Okay, here we go. Okay, and the first one, it is I need to download the drivers because it's showing nothing. As you can see, it's showing nothing. Even open the volume mixer, is showing nothing. In the recording, is showing nothing. Okay, I have to download software, download the firmware for Windows, download the drivers for Windows, download the mix effect for Windows. Is that okay? So right now I'm just trying to download it. Okay, there's already first one open. Okay, let me just run it. Version check. Let me just make a new. Okay, let me just drag and drop here. This will be much easier for me to understand. Okay, here we go. What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy, a geek. The gain is around at like 1 o'clock. It's like more than half. The gain. What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy, a geek. It's only recording in one channel, I don't know why. What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy, a geek. So let me increase the gain. What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy, a geek. What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy a Geek. Jimmy a Geek, testing the Zoom UAC-2 USB audio recorder. You need to be the judge how good I am sounding. Let me. What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy a Geek. So I'm testing the Zoom, literally Zoom, the USB 3. Wow! Let me clip. Wow! What I can hear right now, I'm literally very much happy. This was my first unboxing, first look and audio test. You just need to install the software and then restart your computer. Buy another, you're ready to go. Make sure to buy from the link below. Subscribe and bye.